Welcome back to my channel Into the Oracleverse, where we learn about Oracle SQL, PL SQL, and Apex. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we are going to see the step-by-step guide to get app user, the the user's name value from JavaScript in Oracle Apex. So there are two ways that I'll be showing in today's video, and I'll be using my blog post as a guide. So we'll get started. The first method is using apex.env.AppUser. So this particular thing, we would be able to see it by using the inspect element, the dev tools. For this, I am pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus I. So it will open this particular window over here. And I am choosing the console. And first, let me just type Apex. I'll be able to see the Apex namespace output over here. And within this, you can see I was able to see my username value here. So the way to access this is, so we'll have to drill down this particular namespace. So we have env sub namespace, and within which I have the app user. So now I know exactly the where my app user's name is being stored. So I'll copy this. I'll go to the page designer, home, and within the function and global variable declaration. So I'll be pasting it, console.log, and then the value. Now I'll assign it. Okay, I'll just run it directly. Save and run the page. You would be able to see that the name, my username was printed here. So this is the first step, but I would prefer using the second step. So now let's look at the second step. So it is to fetch the user's information from a table. So here we'll be using an application item, and we'll be using an application computation, and then we'll be retrieving the value in JavaScript. So to begin with, I'll choose an application item. I'll create an application item for this application. So to do that, we'll have to navigate to the shared components, within which I'll be able to spot application items here. Now I'll click create. Now I'll have to provide a good name. I'll provide user underscore name and the scope. So in few places where there will be several applications sharing sessions. So in that particular case, we can choose global, but since I am using just one application over here, I'll be going with application. And here there are several other uh, options which we won't be going through today. And now I have created an application item, and yeah, so sorry. Yeah, now I have created the application item. Now I'll go back to shared components. So the second step is to create the application computation. So to do that, so I'll create a table in my workspace. So I have created a table, and then I'll create this. So this particular example will store the ID value, will print the ID value in the console. So let me insert this. So my username is my email ID. Yep. Now I'll insert the value. So on row inserted. I'll come back here and I'll choose the computation which is provided here. And now I'll go into computation. And I'll click create. First, I'll have to choose the item for which we are going to write the computation. So you would be able to see the page level items as well. And the application item will have the prefix application. So I'll choose the user name that I have created. and then computation point. So I'll set it after authentication. So now the value will be populated only when I am authenticating myself. Now SQL query return single value, and then I'll choose. So since I have username here, I'll go with name. Yes, and there'll be several other additional features which I won't be going through today, and I'll be creating a computation. So with the computation created, so we'll be able to test it out by logging out and logging in again, and I'll be able to, and I click the session, view session state, and I'll choose application items, and then I'll choose this. So now I am able to see the value being populated in the username application item. Now the next or the final step is to print that value to the console. So to do that, I'll sorry I'll have to use this JavaScript function. Now I'll go to my page settings and then function global variable declaration. I'll replace the existing one. Since I haven't created the user ID, I'll remove it. And yeah, I haven't created this, so I'll remove this as well. So yes, now I'll save the page, save the code, and then I'll run the page. I'll be able to see the output over here. So that's it from today's video. Please provide your feedbacks and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.